Some things a woman never forgets. They carve themselves deep inside her soul. It doesn't matter how much you give, how hard you try, or how good you are to her. If you never awaken her strongest desires, you'll always be the nice guy she vaguely remembers, but never truly craves. Because for a woman, a special name isn't just a cute nickname. It's a secret key, a mark of ownership, an emotional brand that whispers, "You belong to me," without her even realizing it. I'm Celia, and today I'm giving you the 5 special names that make a woman obsessed with you, respect you, chase you, and never let you go. The last one is so powerful that if you use it before you're ready, she'll be addicted to you for life. Stay until the end, because you're about to call her something no man has ever dared. Have you ever wondered why she forgets you? You were kind, loyal, always there, yet you left no mark. Here's the truth. Desire doesn't live where there was effort. Desire lives where there was dominance. And a man who doesn't know how to name a woman doesn't know how to lead her. Let's begin. Most men use the same recycled pet names her exes used: babe, honey, princess. Instant friend zone. You're not creating anything new. You're renting someone else's old space. But when you look at her and calmly say, "Little wild one," and keep talking like you didn't just drop a bomb, something shifts inside her. She starts wondering, why did he call me that? What did he see in me? What does it mean to him? That name drags her out of her own story and plants her squarely in yours. Suddenly she has to play by your rules. Women don't obsess over men they fully understand. They obsess over the ones who keep them slightly off balance. A woman isn't looking for the right man. She's looking for the man who makes surrender feel irresistible. Not through fear, through raw, masculine presence. Call her my little wolf, my pretty witch, my storm. These names do 2 things at once. They make her feel seen and quietly claimed. That delicious tension between recognition and possession is what melts her. Real dominance isn't loud. It's calm. It doesn't ask permission. It simply sets the tone. The female ego can handle praise. It can handle being led, but it cannot handle feeling replaceable. This is where most men fail. They give names that are too personal, too safe, too obvious. The smart move? Use a name that walks the razor's edge, one that feels like you could say it to anyone, but when you say it to her, it lands differently. Try my little storm. When she asks, "Why do you call me that?" just smile. Say nothing. Now her mind is racing. Is that name only for me? Or could he give it away? That tiny seed of uncertainty turns into full-blown obsession. Because now she has to prove she's the only one worthy of it. Like and subscribe right now if this is already hitting harder than anything you've ever heard. Drop your country in the comments. I read every single one. Every woman has a secret vulnerability she hides behind her strong facade. The part from her past that still whispers, "I wasn't enough." Most men never see it. The rare man who does, and names it, owns her forever. Look her in the eyes and say, softly but firmly, "My little fearful one. My hidden one. My beautiful mess." Do not joke. Do not explain. In that moment, her walls collapse. She realizes you see the real her, the one she's terrified to show the world. And instead of running, she falls. Hard. Warning. Only use this when you're ready to protect what you just exposed. This is the most dangerous one. Because now you stop reacting to the woman she pretends to be, and you name the woman you see underneath. Not my queen or my goddess that puts her on a pedestal and kills desire. Say, my little willing one. My untamable desire, my sweet savage. You're telling her, I don't care about the mask you show the world. I see the wild, submissive, deeply feminine creature beneath, and I'm claiming her. No woman can resist a man who sees her truest self and names it without apology. This isn't taught in books. This is learned through fire, loss, and finally waking up. If you made it to the end, you're not like the others. You're ready to stop being the nice guy and become the man she can't forget. Comment to name is to lead and tell me your country. Because female psychology is the same in Mexico, Spain, Argentina, or anywhere else. She craves what she cannot control and remembers what she cannot fully understand. I'm Celia, woman, psychologist, and the one who just handed you the keys. Click subscribe. Share this with a friend who's still calling her princess while she's texting someone else. And don't leave yet. Watch the next video that pops up. Choose the one that makes you the most uncomfortable. That's exactly where your power is hiding.